So this is what you're going to be getting from our kit. It's a set of horns, a tail, and an arm. And I'm going to show you how to install it. You start by opening it up, pulling out the decal set, and then you're going to be cutting this up. So you want to cut all the horns and tail and arm away from each other. Be careful not to cut the other decals. Okay, now that you have everything, you're going to be cleaning around your emblem area to ensure a proper stick. So take some rubbing alcohol and a cloth, which I already have here, and just clean around that area. You will then start with one horn. What you're going to do is you're going to be removing the paper backing, like so. You're going to be placing it up to your emblem as desired, sticking it in place, and then peeling the protective covering off. And you're going to repeat that process for the remaining decals. That's the finished product. That's what you can expect your kit to look like.